Hey man, who are you?
Who are you?
What are you talking? You are in India, you are
living
talking in
about-
Delhi, and you are talking about HMPV.
So
you
I
don't
want to
know.
talk about- It is my
No,
right to
no.
talk about who are you?
HM
Remove this.
Hey man, this is manner. You are reporter.
And the full form of HMPV is human metapneumovirus. It affects our.
So what's your name?
My name is Bharti.
Are you from India only?
Yeah, I'm from India.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How are you? I'm not good.
Why?
I'm not good today because HMP chimpanzee, HMPV virus. Really, I'm not good. I fear again there is a lockdown. Whenever I watch the news, I fear.
But
Really?
That
Yeah.
would be good for students, no? They want lockdown.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, they really wanted to.
Okay, so I think my reporter said again students want lockdown. I think today we are going to discuss he is a tiger. His name is Tiger, but not real tiger, my dear. It will not take you. It is a not real tiger. He is a tiger.
I'm not going to eat you. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
yeah, don't worry. So I have selected as a reporter, and today he will do ground reporting, and topic is HMP virus and what citizen think. Really there is a lockdown. Really there is a problem. If there is a lockdown, how we will survive? And what is the condition of India? So please watch complete video and ignore grammar mistakes. It is not grammar class. It is a speaking, confident and confidence.
And we are not professors.
Yeah, and we are the human being and we can do mistake. So really, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
And so today, I would like to give a chance my tiger. So tiger, take it.
Thank you.
Once more clapping for the tiger. Right.
Okay.
Ready, sir?
Yeah, I'm
Very
perfectly ready. So, hi guys. So, we are going to discuss about the HMVP virus, which is spreading tremendously in China and now in India as well. So, it is basically a virus which is a human what's that?
Yeah.
That big.
Very full form, but
Let's
yeah.
skip the full form, just
Yeah,
keep it in
yeah.
very short. HMPV virus.
Yeah.
So let's discuss, and we are going to have some discussion about the people.
Yeah.
Let's search for a beautiful lady first.
Yeah.
I'm going to start with a good one. Yeah.
Yes. You can discuss. I have to. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi sir.
What's your name?
My name is Jeanat.
I'm Ajit, and I am actually discussing about. I'm just getting to know the people's perspective about the virus. Are you aware about there's any virus or
Yes,
not?
I am very aware of this virus, and it is so much dangerous for all the people. And the full form of HMPV is human metapneumovirus. It affects our upper and lower liver tracts, and it causes by the fever, cough, cold, and we have to maintain distance when whoever got fever and whoever got illness, any kind of, because it is spreading by the
Do you think you will get affected by that? Because I can see you are very healthy.
Yes, I am. It's good to me that I am very healthy because I care my health and I make distance. I have making distance so that I can be health.
What would you suggest to the peoples?
We have to make distance, and we have to follow the instructions and precautions which are spread by the spreading of the HMPV. We have to put mask on our face and making distance, and whosoever are feeling illness or any kind of down, so that they will be stay in their home, not to go outside. I am very serious about this virus, and I am very serious about the health of mine. And
Why so serious? We also face the COVID. Why you are so serious?
Yes, I have. Due to the COVID virus, I am feeling so that just like the COVID virus was infectious day by day, and I don't want to get the infectious disease, this HMPV virus, so that.
Okay.
Nice.
Thank you for your perspective. I really appreciate that. And she actually remembered the whole pronunciation of that bit.
It's
I cannot do that. Yeah.
Because we don't know the full form of HMPV.
Yeah, even I don't know.
She said, really. Very good, nice.
A loud applause.
Right?
Okay.
So where we are standing.
We are standing in a class and we just discussing about some
What do you
virus.
imagine what is a place? It is a Kannaught place. It is a Sangam Vihar.
Let's imagine what?
Kannaught place.
Connaught Place.
Connaught
Okay.
Place.
Because there are lots of chapri come over there.
Yeah. So I
Okay.
think where you want to go now?
let's take a handsome man this time.
You're handsome, very nice, handsome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm also fine. What's your name?
My name is Ritik.
Okay, I'm Ajit and I'm doing just a survey and getting to know about the people's perspective about the upcoming virus. Do you know is there any virus?
If you don't mind, first I want to know who gave you that authority?
I gave it that authority to myself.
Myself.
Yep.
So means why are you are taking to mind time? Means
don't
do you
want
literally
to?
think I'm free?
You don't want to? You are standing in current place. I don't think
Actually,
you have
I'm
a job
waiting
right
for
now.
my friend.
You are waiting from your friend?
Yeah.
Okay, so by mean that time, can we discuss?
Okay. For what topic you want to
Okay,
discuss?
the virus.
Which virus?
You are not aware about there's a virus?
No. Which one?
What you were doing? Scrolling Instagram reels?
Of course, in scrolling, but it's not about the diseases. I'm not want any kind of disease. So why I'm scrolling the disease? What kind
These
of
type of people spread the virus. They are not aware about it, and we also get affected about this. Let it be.
Okay, if you are afraid that discuss or disease any kind of thing, so why you're not putting the mask on your face?
It's because people really like my face. That's why.
Oh man,
Actually-
but it is a disease.
Okay, so there's a virus actually,
Okay.
which is HMPV.
What,
So,
what?
HMPV.
HMPV, what is it?
Yeah, similar to chimpanzee, you can say.
Chimpanzee?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is similar to you.
Okay, just like you.
We have all grown from the chimpanzee, no?
Okay.
Okay, so there's a virus is spreading in China. So what do you think about it? Will it affect in India?
Okay, if it is come from China, so we should be serious about it because means previously in a coronavirus, still we were saying like just same, so we should need to be think about it. But still, I'm just thinking if we had faced about the coronavirus, so we will face with
Do you
that.
think India will be ready and prepared for this time?
Not yet, I would say, because at that time in coronavirus, we had seen the hospital system in the infrastructure is not very much aware about it. So maybe our government need to be understand what they are doing and they need to be
Hey
prepared.
man,
for-
who are you?
Who are you?
What you are talking? You are in India. You are talking about the HMPV.
This is my
Yeah.
This is your
And you are
friend.
talking my friend.
How's your friend like that?
You are talking.
What's your behavior?
You are living in Delhi, and you are talking about HMPV.
So
you
I
don't
talk
know.
about- It is my
No,
right to
no.
talk about who are you? Remove this.
Hey man, this is manner. You are reporter. What are you doing?
What are
You are talking my friend. That's why I am talking about you.
Give it to
You
me
you
back.
don't know you are living in Delhi, no? In Delhi, HMPV, nothing in virus, na? In
Do you
Delhi,
know what that virus is? Tell
No.
me. Explain.
nothing virus. You can say it's a seasonal virus. It's a seasonal virus. It's come in winter. In Delhi, everyone's suffering from of cold and fever. You are also suffering from cold.
I am not suffering
No,
from cold.
you
Who
are
told
looking-
I am suffering from cold.
Your nose is coming out. And that's why I am saying. And you are saying it's a virus.
He's talking about we are coming from chimpanzee.
No.
Give me my mic.
Yeah, you can check man.
You dump.
I can't
Yeah.
Friend, he's just saying we are coming from chimpanzee and that blah blah. I don't know what he's talking
You are
about.
talking. Yesterday I talked with China Embassy also.
What is the problem with him? What is the problem?
What's your problem?
You are
First of all.
talking. It's not in India any virus. It's just you can say
There's
it's a seasonal virus.
in-
It's a
in
seasonal
Kerala
virus.
We have found one case.
It's a seasonal. It's a seasonal virus. You can say, na? Everyone nowadays is suffering
No,
from
it's
like
not
cold
a
and
seasonal
fever.
virus. China has made an emergency for that. It cannot be a seasonal virus.
But it's not China. It's India. Na? We are taking like hygienic food. We are taking organic food.
COVID was also
we are
first
we are not
started in
eating
China.
seafood like non-veg. We are pure vegetarian. Na? We are more vegetarian. So why we need to?
Maybe if you eat some non-veg, your hair will grow again.
Oh, I don't need my hair grow actually. I need to keep safe.
Why? In winter, having a good hair would be very nice, no?
No, actually I can't like.
Why?
Okay, so
It's
I
my
think,
choice, man.
He doesn't think there is a champion.
Yeah,
virus, I
he
think.
doesn't
Okay,
think.
next.
Okay. So let's find a
Other
beautiful
than
girl
that,
again because
beautiful lady we have
boys
to
are
talk, I
very stupid. Hi.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, beautiful madam. So what's your name?
My name is Bharti.
Are you from India only?
Yeah, I'm from
Are
India.
you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, because I thought you are somewhere from abroad. Okay, so basically I'm Ajit and I'm doing a survey about the virus HMPV.
Okay.
Yeah, do you know about that?
Yeah, I heard about it.
Can you explain a little bit?
Yeah, it's literally when I just watched my TV at that time, I just heard about that virus, and the symptom of this virus is a little bit cold and a fever kind of, and but I don't know why it's coming in India.
Are you really feeling that cold? Did you have to wear that cap?
Yeah, there's a lot of fog in Delhi yet, so I just wear that.
So if there's a lot of fog, use glasses, not a cap.
Yeah, there is as well. There is air, na. So I just want to protect my head and my ear. So that's why I'm just wearing my cap.
Okay, so what precaution would you suggest to the people for the virus?
Yeah, there is one thing like that is told by in the news report and by the doctors. That's a mask. So we all should have to wear the mask. And there is one more thing, why this virus are just spreading around the world just because of the globalization, and our Indian economy just continuously going into down level. So I just literally don't like this kind of virus, and I just hate that kind of things.
So let's suppose there will be a lockdown. Okay, so what do you think about the lockdown? That would be good or that would be bad?
Of course not good, because in the previous time there is a corona. In that virus, we all know how much our economy gone in just a down one, and our India just suffering a lot at that time. And that's all are just propaganda of the China. That country doesn't want to grow up any country, so that's why China does that kind of things, in my opinion.
Very good, nice, bravo, Bharti. So
Okay.
what Bharti said, it is a planning of the China.
Yeah,
right?
it's a planning of China, or it
China
can
does
also
not
be
want to see any country grow.
grow.
Up, I think.
Yeah, because China is very self-centered country. But I have one complaint, sir.
What?
This cameraman is so biased. Whenever I speak with girl, he only record a girl.
Now why you are focusing on the girl? Why you are focusing, my dear? Other people will blame us. Okay, next, come, my dear. And yes, my tiger here should be good.
Okay, so Gym Boy.
Gym
Let's
boy,
talk about
just what is
Gym
written?
Boy.
What is written?
Just do it.
Just do it. And where is your heart? This or this?
This side, sir.
You have a two heart.
No, I have one.
Okay, you have one. And where is your mask?
I haven't put because there is no corona or HMP virus. There is Delhi
Chimpanzee or chimpanzee?
HMP virus, sir.
HMP virus, yes, correct.
Okay, nice, correct.
There is no virus at all,
No, in Delhi I didn't have heard a case about HMP virus.
but there was we have found one case in Kerala.
So there is this is in Delhi, not a Kerala. Why are you worrying about the HMP virus?
It can spread from Kerala to Delhi as well, because it is spread from China to Kerala, so it can spread from Delhi as well.
So are you like feeling like a feeling type of thing that you can be suffered from the HMP virus? I don't think so, because the Kerala is very much far from the Delhi. Why are you worrying about the HMP virus? It is not going to be harm you, buddy.
Don't teach me geography, okay? I'm already aware about it.
If I can tell you the geography of India.
Okay.
So Ajit, I think tell to us really what people are thinking. There is no HMP.
Actually,
HMPV.
till now, I think people really don't know what HMPV, and they think that it's a propaganda of the China. So maybe it can be, but it can also be a serious thing, because there is a case we have found in India, and the health ministry also make a statement about that. So we shouldn't take that.
But I think it's
that
not
unserious.
panic condition, right?
Yeah, we shouldn't be panic.
Yeah, because it's I think normal virus. I think there is no
Maybe,
danger,
but
right?
obviously from our end we have to take the precautions as well.
Okay, very good. Clap for Ajit. So my dear, today you met a reporter. His name is Tiger. I have given this name. I think you felt good with Tiger. Clap.